In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch ChessTV on chess.com. First, log into your chess.com account. Being signed in ensures you get the full viewing experience and personalized recommendations. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile in the top area of the site. If not, use the login option and enter your credentials securely. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the main navigation menu and find the section labeled Watch. This is the hub for all viewing options, including live broadcasts, top player streams, and scheduled programming. Hover your mouse over Watch to open its submenu. From there, select Chess TV. If you prefer, you can click the chess.com Chess TV link that appears in the menu. Both paths take you to the same destination. Depending on your device and connection, the page may take a moment to load while it pulls in the latest shows and live events. On the Chess TV page, you'll see a curated lineup. Live events are broadcasts happening right now. Think tournaments, special matches, or official shows, with a live indicator or viewer count to help you spot what's active. You'll also find streams from top players, where creators and titled players share their games and commentary in real time. In addition, there are scheduled shows with set start times. These upcoming programs often include lessons, news, or highlights, and their times usually display in your local time zone. If something hasn't started yet, you may see a countdown or a listed start time. To start watching, click any live event, top player stream, or scheduled show that's currently airing. The video player will open and the stream will begin. Use the player controls to adjust volume, switch to full screen, or change the video quality if that option is available. If a scheduled show hasn't started yet, simply note the start time and return when it goes live. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, refresh the page to load the latest lineup, as the Chess TV schedule updates frequently. If video playback stutters, lower the quality in the player settings and close extra browser tabs to free up bandwidth. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Watch, choose Chess TV, and click the program you want to view. With just a few clicks, you'll be watching live chess content, expert commentary, and your favorite streamers right on chess.com. Enjoy the show, and happy watching.